In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a workspace in NinjaTrader 8. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to click on Workspaces up here, and you want to load in one of these default workspaces, or you can go ahead and just create a new one, okay? So it's up to you, but then when you have this loaded up, so for example, I'm going to click on the FX one over here, so it's going to load up, there we go. And then what you're going to have to do is you go to Workspaces, and of course, before that, you can customize it however you want. You can put different things on there, etc. And when you actually want to save it, click on Workspaces again, hover over Default Workspaces, and this one, the green one, is the one that's currently open. So you want to hover over it, click on Save As, and then you have to give it a name. So I'm going to name it Tutorial for this instance, and you want to click on Save. And then under Workspaces, as you can see, I now have a separate one, which is called Tutorial, okay? I still have the default ones over here, but I also have a second one, which is Tutorial, which is the one I actually just created, and then you can hover over it, save it again, basically clone it, close it, or remove it. So that's how you save them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.